so cool. Like, I don't know. I just don't know how to say it. Like, if it looks like it's ice and or like snow. It's so cool. I don't know why. I had to wake up at like 3 a.m. and it's currently 7:01. But Florida was very fun. Did you guys watch my vlogs? It was really I might visit every 3 months, so yeah. Just so cool. Like, look at this. And also the sun is like coming up. Look at that. It's just so nice. Like, I don't know why. It's just so nice. And I'm wearing my Salon jersey. Oh, sun is up. Sun is up. Look. It's really hard to show, but yeah, I think you could tell because it's in my face right now. So, so bright. But yeah, my flight back home right now is 2 hours and 9 minutes. Because, well, this happens every time when I go to Florida or go back to my house. It takes around 2 to 3 hours. That's the flight time. That's how long it is. Like, that's what I meant. But it's been so cool. I love this. I don't know, I just love traveling. Like, I feel like I want that as a hobby, but that's gonna be impossible, so yeah. If you guys didn't see my 3 vlogs that I did when I was in Florida, check it out because they're awesome. So I don't know why it's like red. It's probably because of the dawn, because the sun. Like, this house is like red right there next to the window. Whoa. So bright. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up for today's video. I don't know why. It's only 3 minutes long, but so thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it a lot. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye. Oh wait, before I end the video, I might or might not do a video on Friday because I don't know, because like I know I just already did like 2 videos because this is one of them, so this is the second one, so but I'll try my best. So yeah, peace.